Hello there lovelies, we are jumping straight into this makeup look. First I'm going to be priming my skin using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm also going to be using the NYX Shine Killer Primer. I love these formulas together, especially in the summertime. And I'm also going to be applying my tape to the outer corners of my eyes. You guys, using tape for eyeshadow is such a lifesaver, especially creating those crispy eyeshadow looks. And today I'm going to be using the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer to prime my eyelids, and I'm just going to be using a damp beauty sponge to blend the concealer out so that way we can have a smooth base for our eyeshadow. Alright you guys, so for this look today I really wanted to go for a sunset theme eyeshadow look, and I'm going to be using a variety of different eyeshadow palettes from Morphe and from Juvia's Place. And the first color that I'm going to be using is from the Morphe palette. It is a bright, beautiful orange shade, and I'm using a small dense eyeshadow brush to apply this orange shade directly to the crease. And to apply this eyeshadow, I'm simply just packing that color on in the crease area. So I'm just packing it on, trying to get as much color payoff as possible. But you guys, Morphe don't need no help. These eyeshadows are definitely popping. And the second color that I'm going to be using is also from this Morphe palette. It is a beautiful bright pink shade, and I'm also using another small dense eyeshadow brush to apply this shade directly on top of that orange color that we used. And to blend these colors together, I'm just going back and forth between the pink eyeshadow brush and the orange eyeshadow brush to get that smooth transition. Alright you guys, so next I'm using the e.l.f. Camo 16-Hour Concealer to cut my crease. And you guys, it was not until I started cutting my crease that I realized this was not the look that I intended to do. So yeah, and about 3, 2, 1, boom, we about to switch this whole entire look up. So I did the same method, but I just had the pink at the bottom, the orange, and then the yellow. And now I'm going in with some glitter from the Fairy Tales Cosmetics Chunky Glitter Set. And I'm using some eyelash glue to apply that glitter in the inner corners, so that way we can give this look a little glamour. And now moving on to the face, I'm using the NARS Radiant Concealer again to kind of color correct the dark areas over top of my mouth and underneath my eyes, so that way it blends flawlessly with the rest of my foundation. And I'm just using a damp beauty sponge to blend all of that concealer out. So the moral of this makeup look today, you guys, if it does not work out the first time, it's okay to start over again. And that's exactly what I did with this look. I kept on going because I did not want to give up. So don't give up on yourselves, you guys, okay? So now moving on to the foundation, I picked up the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation 24 Matte Finish. Yes ma'am, I picked it up in the shade Sienna. You guys, I was super duper hyped just because I've been wanting to pick up a new drugstore foundation, and you guys, I think I did a pretty good job matching this foundation to my complexion. Y'all let me know in the comments down below if you tried this foundation by NYX, and also give me a thumbs up if you've been enjoying this video thus far. And you guys, I'm just using an actual foundation brush this time to apply this foundation all over my face, and then I'm going to go back in with a damp beauty sponge to blend everything out. Like I said, this is a matte finish full coverage foundation, so that's why we went in with the hydrating primer in the beginning, so that way my skin does not feel like it needs to overproduce those oils once I put the matte foundation on top. And you guys, this coverage was the bomb.com, okay? I did go in with 2 light layers of foundation, but you guys, a little bit of this foundation definitely does go a long way, and I used the rest of the product that was on my beauty sponge to actually apply foundation to my forehead. So you guys, I definitely would suggest picking up the NYX Full Coverage Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation. It is definitely great for the summertime. I really love the formula and the consistency, and you guys, it's affordable. So definitely make sure you check out the description box down below, because I am going to have all of the products that I'm using in this video listed down below. And one more tip I do want to mention to you guys is spraying your foundation in between application and just spraying in between applying different face products. So I did just go in with the Mario Badescu facial spray just to kind of keep the face hydrated as I'm applying these different products. And you guys, I also did not apply the foundation directly underneath my eyes just because we already do have that concealer right there, and I am going to go on top of that concealer with a lighter concealer shade to highlight. So just the less product you use, the better, especially in the summertime, which I have learned. Shout out to Jackiana and shout out to Maya Galore, because that is exactly where I got those tips from, you guys. Their foundation routines are flawless. So yes, that's exactly what I'm doing. So now I'm actually going to go in with the concealer, and I'm only applying a little bit right underneath my eye on the inner corner and then on the outside. Doing this step right here, you guys, it just makes it a whole lot easier to blend out your concealer exactly where you want it to be, and also you're using less product as well. And you all, this is exactly what I was talking about. You wind up having enough product when you place the concealer on your face this way, and it just makes it so much more easier to blend out. I'm also using a damp beauty sponge again to just blend that concealer out over my face. And you guys, this is also another creamy radiant concealer from NARS. I will have the shade listed down below in the description box as well. And can we just shout out the tape real quick, you guys? Do y'all see that crisp, sharp line with that eyeshadow? Yes, ma'am. And to set my concealer in place, you guys, I'm using the Laura Mercier powder in translucent, and I'm also using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder as well. And I'm just applying that with a Real Techniques medium shadow brush and just packing that all over the places where I highlighted. And I'm doing the same thing to the bridge of my nose as well as over my lip and my chin as well. Alright y'all, so another new product that I picked up was this brownie bar from Bakerie. You guys, I'm just super duper hyped because I've been wanting to get my hands on this for a while now, and there was only one left at Ulta, so I know the Lord was looking out for me. But I am going to be using the darkest shade in the brownie bar to contour or chisel out my nose as well as my cheeks. And then I'm going to be using that highlight shade to highlight. You guys, these colors are so pretty and so pigmented. And I did pick up the medium deep one. And you guys, this highlighter, you can see her from a mile away and she just looks so beautiful. This is probably going to be my new favorite highlighter and contour shade. And you guys, that middle shade that is in the palette is super duper perfect if you're just doing a no makeup look and you just need a brown shade for the lid. You guys, I am loving this brownie bar and would highly suggest you add this to your makeup collection. And lastly, you guys, I'm using the Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara to blend my eyelashes with my falsies. And I'm also using a little bit of that mascara on the bottom eyelashes as well. And for lips today, we kept it simple with a brown lip liner and a new lip gloss that I picked up from the beauty supply store. And you guys, that is all for this look. Alright y'all, so here are the final results of this tropical, colorful summer makeup look. Something quick and easy and fun to do if you are a new beginner to wearing makeup. You guys, like, I don't know, this just made me so happy just to actually create a makeup look for you guys again. And also, you guys, if you guys want to set up a one-on-one with me to learn some more things about your skincare, eyebrows, any of those good things, definitely make sure that you shoot me an email. So definitely drop me some comments down below of you guys' thoughts on this look and what you guys want to see next. And I will also have in the description box all the products that I use, so that way you guys can get your hands on these amazing products. You guys, I love everything new that I picked up. Like, I'm definitely feeling this look. Oh my goodness. And as always, you guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, so that way we all can be fabulous together. And as always, remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.